Kahit san man maparating, hanap pa rin ay iyong lambing.
Today, I stand before you, my heart filled with love and joy. I vow to be your constant companion, your biggest supporter, and your forever love. You brought so much life into my life. From the moment I met you, I knew you were the one. You filled my life with love, laughter, and endless joy. I promise to be honest and open with you, to cherish our moments together, and to build a beautiful future together. With all my heart, I vow to love you today, tomorrow, and forever. I love you.
Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako.
Simula nung nakilala kita, na-build ko yung pagiging expressive sa'yo, sa ibang tao, sa family, and then naging independent sa buhay natin. And then ikaw yung taong malambing, humble, masayahin pero minsan poker face. Pero syempre, mahal ko pa rin yon. And very understanding, tsaka kahit mga moody or mga kadramahan ko, naiintindihan mo pa rin. And I'm grateful that I met you and to love you more. And then I promise to love you, I promise to support you, and I'm here for you palagi. Magkaroon man tayo ng mga misunderstandings, and I'm here to listen and to understand. Through ups and down natin, pero kahit mahirap man yon, masusolusyonan pa rin nating magkasama. And I vows to be loving wife to you. I vows to be your partner in all things, to celebrate every happy moment or sad moments nating magkasama. And I promise to never stop sharing my life with you. And then sa future din natin. Forever and always, I love you, babe.
Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto,
Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin
aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sigaw. Mahal sa